everyone, we are still here in Frankfurt, and after we were visiting the Frankfurt Motor Show, we decided to spend more time here in the city and discover more car-related topics. Here behind me, this is Klassikstadt, and this is a very nice place to visit if you are really a car freak and you want to see beautiful cars. You can find here different brands like Lamborghinis, Ferraris. You can prepare your car here, you can renovate your car, you can renovate your engine. So they have all the facilities here. They have a nice restaurant and you can just walk around and enjoy the beautiful cars. That's why we are here at the moment. So we're going to look around. So let's go inside and we're just gonna walk around and check what we can find inside. Let's find the entrance. It smells nice already. You don't need to buy any tickets, so the entrance is free. So you just come and pop by anytime when you want without any money. Behind these glass doors are the workshops, and they literally renovating and preparing the cars here. So look the Mercedes. It's nice. Oh look, nice. So probably already ready. Came freshly out from the workshop. So let's go upstairs because I'm curious also what kind of cars are parking up. I think it's more like a museum. We're gonna find out. I saw more classic cars like Jaguar and Aston Martin over there. So let's go up. Look, they have different floors. And look, this is the super nice Jaguar. Nice. They also have a coffee shop. Cars and coffees, and here looks like there's some Alpine section. Ah, nice. This Alpine, the blue one, is the original, the 110. It's a very famous rally car. There was just a winner in the Monte Carlo rallies, and this has a massive history. That's why this year they just launched the homage of this original version, and here are the brand new cars. So here is the original car, and you can really see the similarity of the new model to the old one, and they really nicely took over all the design language. So they really used the original cars and inspiration really as an homage. For example, this side design element, and if you check on the new model, it has exactly the same shape. And because most important that this is a back engine car, the very famous and very unique design feature was this back window, and they also took it super nicely. And it's fun because it's just at the moment open, so you can really see that the back window, how it's cut it, and it's nice. The only thing what I was a little bit missing, but I know it's not possible to do because of the regulations, this feature, because that was very emblematic for me. So they couldn't copy, but they took the same headlights. All the lines are very similar, and I think I would take one old and one new in my garage. So this massive beast next to me, this is Mercedes 500e. And why it's so special? It's because Mercedes developed this car together with Porsche. That was the last Mercedes was developed together with Porsche technology. This has a huge V8 engine and a wider body. And what I see really Porsche style inside is, for example, on the wheel arches, I have the feeling that this is really this soft a sort of Porsche shaping inside. The car is from 1992, so you can really read this end of 80s styling is super edgy and really a little bit like an origami sculpturing. It's nice and it's just enormous. The only difference between the original 500 and this 500e are the pulled out wheel arches, which are, in my opinion, a very Porsche type of thing to do. So this is the only difference what you can recognize, but it's very significant. I think it really gives the car a very spectacular stand, and I like it like this. It's cool. It seems like they have the Audi rally quiz here, and I see very old pictures. Waterroll is super young there. It's awesome. We have more cars here. In the second floor are parking the cars from private owners, so they're storing here their cars. But the good thing is that you can check them. So they are protected behind the glass and they're parking here. It's very nice. Ooh, and this is for sale. Yes. It's just nice to walk around here, and you can come here anytime when you want. Entrance is free. They're beautiful cars. So it's just also nice to switch your brain if you love cars. It's relaxing. So a lot of people are relaxing here, as you can see. Or wait for the guy with a shoe. I mean, when you started the vlog and you start to film, you just getting so annoyed by the people that just cutting the video and doing funny noises around you. It's funny. I never recognized this before, but since doing movies like around with other people, I mean, I don't like people, I think. So they're also organizing events here, and for example on 13th of October is going to be the end of season event. So if you are a car fan, maybe it's really worth to visit Frankfurt on the 13th of October. Lilla Lombardi, she was a super successful racing driver back in the 70s. So there's a picture about her. Bizzarini, that look very cool. Is it a Le Mans racing car? Wow. It's really beautiful. And this guy is just a Bugatti Chiron. I know I was freaking out about Ferraris, always Ferraris, but they're just nice. It's a perfect Girls Love Cars office. It's perfect. No. Do you know why they're putting the cross on the lights? I thought it's some very spooky feature, but they do when the car had a crash, and they do because of they crashing the cars, and when the lights just explode, that it's not fall apart. It's just kind of protection, but look cool. So they're using also as a, you know, feature. Look, there's no Citroën DS here, and this is one of the most iconic car from the 20th century. This here, you cannot mix it up with other models whatsoever. This is a plate person, okay? Yes, it's on the top. And interesting to think about the design concept of the car, that they wanted to design a boat, so the whole design started from upside down. That's why it has this very funny shape. So then it has no sense. Shall we go? Hope you like this short walk around in this very nice place here in Frankfurt. If you like the video, please subscribe for my channel and follow me on Instagram on Girls Love Cars, and see you soon in the next video.